Marketing is often not fun, it's often a big money pit, and today I want to talk about marketing, and specifically I want to talk about some ways that you can actually get more work which effectively costs you nothing. Hey, Tony from Profitable Trading. Now we work with the owners of plumbing, electrical and similar service business owners to help them make more profits, put better systems and processes in their business, and just make life and business a whole lot more fun. Now there's 4 ways that I wanted to share with you today that you can actually make sales with very little money down. So the first one is email marketing. Now you might think email's dead, but our members have a huge success running email marketing campaigns, and they use that often when they're a little bit short of work. So you just need to set up a really simple email marketing system. MailChimp is one that you could use. You load your contacts in there, and then you create an offer, and something as simple as $50 off a job is an offer that will pull really well. And you'll find if you've got more than a few hundred people in your database, you'll get a bunch of work straight away. So email marketing is a killer way to get cheap work, cheap leads. Next one is upselling. So just like you go to McDonald's and they ask you, would you like fries with that? It's really important you do the same thing when you're out on site in the field. So with your technicians or your tradespeople, we want to have a process for them to actually ask if there's anything else that they can help the client with. So we call it an inspection checklist. So if you're a plumber, it would be a plumbing inspection checklist, or electrical, it would be electrical inspection checklist. And you can just tailor this to suit if your trade is slightly different. And so you just tell the owner that you'll take a couple of minutes to check all their fixtures and fittings, and you go through with your list, and typically there might be 20 things on the list. The 20 most common things that might go wrong that you could actually sell or help the client with. And then you present it to the client and say, hey, it all looks good, but there's just a couple of things here you might want to look at improving. And often, or fixing, and often what happens is the client has actually thought about getting those things done, and they just forgotten about it or didn't realize it was a problem. So that's a killer way of getting more leads just off your existing work. Next one is servicing. So if you provide any appliances or fittings or fixtures that require ongoing servicing, then that is a money for the jam strategy. So all you need is a servicing system where you either preferably ring and book the client in for a service. And you pitch it as a warrant of fitness. So for instance, warrant of fitness for your air conditioning unit, and you can do that every year, and you book them in and do the job. And when you're doing the job, you could also do the upselling checklist. So that's like a 2-for-1 strategy. So that's 3 things. There was one other thing that I was thinking of. That's right, it's called dialing for dollars. So that's basically using the telephone. Now it might sound a bit scary, but if you've got a list of your clients in your database, and you've got a list of people that perhaps you've done work for before, whether it's building contractors, or it might be real estate or property managers, or could be anyone who know you, like you already. Maybe they're not doing work with you right at the moment. If you give them a call and just ask them if they've got any work going, that's another strategy that can work incredibly well, and our members use that frequently. So really simple. 4 strategies that can give you work straight away for very little money. All you need to do is just make sure you've got a customer database. Pretty simple. You've got your upselling, you've got your email marketing, you've got your servicing program, and you've got dialing for dollars. So if you're ever stuck, just use one of those. I guarantee you'll get work super quick. Hope that's helpful. Take good care. We'll talk soon.